When we came to know that the accused is moving towards the Vasco, we managed to detain him at Chicalim. So after detaining him, we brought him at the police station and lodged him in lockup. So now we had taken 5 days remand of the accused, and we will conduct our further investigation in this case. And once the investigation is completed, we will hand over the accused to the Agasayam police station for further investigation.
तो तीन टीमें तीन स्टेट सगळ्याकडे पुलिसाक बरी मशक्कत करची पडली ताका धरपाक.
Yes, because he was escaped from the lawful custody. We have speed up the investigation because we want to nab him at anyhow we wanted to nab him. So yesterday, while conducting the investigation and inquiry with him, we came to know that his name is Ravi Subharao through his identity cards. His name is real name is Ravi Subharao and not P Ramesh.